Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, I'll be covering a lot of street food places and a lot of iconic but affordable food joints like Sukh Sagar and Sardar Pav Bhaji and a lot of these places which like Nityanand and all of that, which is not considered as street food, but then it is also like it is the kind of affordable food joint that you go to whenever you're craving something really desi. So yeah, I'll be covering a lot of those different kinds of places, and I have made a list of some 23 places. So I really hope I'm able to cover all of them because um, today is Friday and then the weekend I can't really go anywhere because of the lockdown. And yeah, I just hope I get to complete all of this on time and I get to cover as many places as I can. So yeah, stay tuned, and this video is going to be covered across multiple days because I possibly cannot eat so much food in a day. So yeah, stay tuned and I'm sure you're going to love this vlog, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do right now.
Hey guys, I'm back. We're at Sukh Sagar today, having the most famous idli. Yeah, and yeah, we're gonna have nachos next. Let's see how it is. So these are the nachos now. I don't know why they've given the capsicum, but something is better than nothing. So let's dig in. Idli was really nice. I expected it to be a little hotter, but it's fine. Nachos were really nice. They were better than other places also. Cream Center. Example. But yeah, thumbs up.
So now we are at Chorni Road, which is also popularly known as the Hinduja Lane. And as you all can see, it has so many food joints and like street food places here. And it is also one of the most popular ones in Bombay, like in South Bombay at least. Because if you come here on a Sunday or on a Friday or a Saturday or any day at night, you will notice how so like you won't have a place to stand, and I'm not exaggerating at all. So we are going to try a couple of places here, and I'll take you all with me, and I hope you all come here next time and try out these places as well. Our first place is Sharma's Bhel Puri and Fast Food. It is my personal favorite. Yummy. Views.
Amazing.
Is it better than every place you have ever had Pani Puri at?
Yeah. Really? No.
But honestly, how is it? How much will you rate it out of 10?
7.
What? Oh my god. So now we are at Narayan Dosa, which has shifted to Chorni Road. Earlier it was near Yuches Road. So yeah, and I think the taste and everything has still remained the same. So we have ordered the Mysore Masala Dosa, and now let's see how it is. How was the Mysore Masala?
Very nice. Amazing. Really like the chutney here. It's spicy.
With chutney, lasun.
No, the Jain chutney. The white one.
And now we are leaving from Narayan Dosa, and we are going to juice time. So we have already had food at like 3 places and we are pretty full. So now we'll go to juice time to have like a light drink, and that will be the end of today's vlog. It's at Opera House, right opposite Havmore, if you all know. And while we wait for our juice, why don't you tell everyone why my YouTube channel is the best YouTube channel
It is the best
in the whole world?
in the whole world
Why? Please explain.
because
6 months later.
she does a lot of traveling and her videos are very aesthetic and new and cute. Huh?
Words were short to explain why my YouTube channel is the best in the world. So I think whoever has not subscribed and is still watching my video all the time should go and subscribe to my channel.
नीचे लाल सा
And-
बटन है वो दबाइए और उसके बाजू में जो घंटी है ना वो भी दबाइए.
Yes,
To
please,
get all your updates.
please press the bell icon. Now I'm becoming more consistent. I'm uploading one long video every week and 1 or 2 shorts also every week. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my Instagram because it's always growing and budding and it's the best.
Later that same evening.
This is Mossambi juice and this is pineapple juice. Ganga Jamuna wasn't available. So
Cheers.
he's not going to be there for any other vlog
Bye
from now
guys.
on.
This was my last vlog.
And also the end of today's day.
Bye.
Hi guys, so it's day 2 and it's a Sunday and I'm at Status right now. And for anyone who like lives in Bombay, Status on a Sunday is pretty jam packed. And apart from Status, the restaurant, there are so many food stalls and like street food wala uncles and everyone outside at like right outside Status, and they all sell like a lot of street food like bhel puri, sev puri, sandwich and a lot more. So yeah. We just ordered a Sarda masala dosa, but if you come here you can sit inside and try a lot of different starters also, and even the pav bhaji here is really good, so you can try that as well. We are at Chorni Road and we ordered this juice from Shalimar Juice Center. It's called the Mahabaleshwar Masti and it has apple, kiwi and some nuts. Guys, it's day 3, it's Tuesday. Yesterday it was pouring, like it was raining like anything, so I couldn't really go anywhere. But today I've come out to get some work done. So I stopped at this place to have sandwich. A lot of people talk about like other street food items in Bombay like vada pav and everything, but personally sandwiches here are my favorite. Like the bread is so thin, the chutney is so delicious and everything is just so, it's the right amount of spice, and these sandwich walas you'll see in almost every lane. So yeah, if you come here you really have to try the sandwiches.
The next day.
Hi guys, it's day 4 I think. Yeah, and so it's the 21st of July and I'm going out with my friend to have Chinese. Say hi to my vlog. This is Vanshika.
Hi guys. So today we are at Raju Chinese, which is actually at Nirmala Niketan College. It's at Marine Lines. So like I have come here a lot of times, and it's really famous for its triple Shazwan fried rice, which comes with like Manchurian gravy and what is it called? Crispy noodles. It's pretty good.
Taste it.
It's the best. Spring roll.
So it's day 5, 22nd of July, and today I've come to Rahul's, which is like it's spread all over Bombay, but I'm at the Valkeshwar one, and I have ordered the paneer roll. Their Mongolian pasta is also really good, and even their khichya is really good. I won't be trying it today, but yeah. Okay, so slight change of plans. I know I said that I'm not going to have the pasta, but then I really felt like having it. But I knew I wouldn't be able to finish it alone, so I got a parcel home. And it's a good day. So here we have the samosas from Brijwasi, and we also have some malai sandwiches from Brijwasi and also from Trupti. So I think we have a slight competition going on here, and let's decide who wins. Okay, so this piece is from Brijwasi. And this piece is from Trupti. The one from Trupti is like much more moist. So yeah, it's a clear winner. I'm sorry for all the Brijwasi fans. Okay, so another change of plans. I know I said that I made a list of some 23 places, but I wasn't able to cover most of them because of the rains, and I have some 19 places remaining, and so I thought that I'll do like a part 1, part 2 and part 3 so that I'm able to cover all of these places and do justice to them. So yeah, stay tuned, and I really hope you all liked this video, and if you all did, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next week.